Today I'm going to be doing a healthy and delicious dessert, which is going to be fruit popsicles. You may wonder, how am I going to do a delicious but healthy popsicles? But actually, I'm going to be using 4 different types of fruits to make the healthy popsicle. To make this delicious and healthy popsicle, we'll need kiwis, which is high in vitamin C. Grapes, since it's high in potassium, it can help control the blood pressure. Mango, it is very high in nutrients and vitamin C. And watermelons is good for your hydration. Next, we need honey, coconut water, and we'll need a nice chopping board, a knife. Make sure to have your parents' supervision while using the knife because it's really sharp. And the last one, we'll need some popsicle molds. You can find this in some convenience store. You can get this. Okay, so let's get started. So now I've completed chopping all the fruits. It looks so colorful. I can't wait to see how it's going to be after you freeze it. Okay, so now I'm going to be doing the liquid which is going to freeze all these popsicles. So for the liquid, I'm going to be using coconut water. And to enhance the taste and to make it a bit more sweeter, I'm using natural honey. So, instead of sugar, I'm using honey to maintain like the natural things and everything. So that all the fruits are natural, coconut water is natural, and the honey too should be natural. Shouldn't be no sugar. Okay. So now, to start doing the liquid, you've got to pour 1 teaspoon of the honey. So now let's start filling these popsicle containers with fruits. So it doesn't need to have layers by layers. You can add random fruits everywhere so that when you freeze it, it looks more nicer. So now we have filled each and every popsicle container and it looks out of the world. It looks so colorful and I like it. So now it's time to pour in the liquid. So I added a cap, like this kind of cap, so it's easy for me to pour in the liquid. So let's okay, so we have poured everything in the liquid, and also make sure this is a very, very important thing. You should make sure that each and every fruit is nicely immersed with the liquid. If not, it will be like peeking out of a popsicle when you freeze it. Okay? So now let's put this thing so that it becomes like a stick. Okay, so now all our popsicles are ready. We have added the sticks, the water, and all the fruits. So now we're putting in the freezer and you have to leave it for overnight. Welcome back. So we froze the ice lollies for nearly a day, and this is the results. So you can see, then you're going to take it out. So many ice creams are usually filled with cream, chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, and many more. But this is just completely with fruit and coconut water, which will taste good, I hope. Okay, so now let's try. So, ooh, but look at that. That looks good. Wow, it's amazing. Especially the honey taste that is dominating the whole taste of this ice